Okay, so here we are on top of the world. Got this flash tube. It's giving us signals of intermittent, which means basically that sometimes it's flashing, sometimes it's not. As you can see here, there's heavy corrosion on all the components as well as the tube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely change out this base plate. All these are going to get disconnected, and we're going to basically hook up this wire here to the new base plate in the exact same order that it is now. Okay, so now that we've got the new base plate installed, we're going to go ahead and hook up the strobe cable just like it was before. This green is going to go hook into the shield. The red is going to go to red right here. Blue is going to attach to blue. Black and white. And if you ever get confused, you have all of your colors here. And this is actually going to just slide in like this. If you have to replace your strobe, it's going to slide in. Make sure it's nice and firm against the bottom of that and flush with it. And we're going to go ahead and connect our cables. Okay, so now I've finished hooking up the strobe cable to all of its different parts. As you can see, the light is ready to go. So I'm going to radio down to Baby Maori, and he's going to go ahead and test it, and we're going to see if it works. Alright, so the bulb is flashing like it's supposed to. Maori's not getting any alarms in the shelter, so I'm on my way down, and that's the end of it.